Have you ever found yourself in a moment of frustration, a flash of anger, and a word slipped out that you immediately regretted? You wondered, are Christians really allowed to curse? Maybe you felt a pang of guilt, or even shame, thinking you'd failed God. But what if it's not just about the word itself? What if it's a mirror, reflecting something deeper within you? You see, it's rarely about the exact phrase, but the pain, the hurt, the unfiltered emotion bubbling underneath. Your words are often just symptoms of what lives in your heart. As it says in the book of Matthew chapter 12, verse 34, "For out of the abundance of the heart the mouth speaks." Your tongue simply echoes what's truly stirring inside. And your tongue holds immense power, doesn't it? It's a tiny spark that can set a whole forest ablaze. It can build up, or tear down, bring life, or bring death. As it's written in the book of James chapter 3, verse 6, "The tongue also is a fire, a world of iniquity." It demands a reverence for its impact. We are called, you and I, to reflect the very nature of Christ. When we choose harsh, crude language, are we truly shining his gentle, loving spirit? The book of Ephesians chapter 4, verse 29 reminds us to let no corrupting talk come out of your mouths, but only such as is good for building up, as fits the occasion, that it may give grace to those who hear. Our words become a testimony to who we belong to. Remember, the Holy Spirit lives within you. The first letter of Paul to the Corinthians chapter 6, verse 19 asks, "Or do you not know that your body is a temple of the Holy Spirit within you, whom you have from God?" Imagine the Spirit of God residing in the very place where those harsh words emerge. It's a continuous invitation to align your inner world with his. God's grace covers our missteps. Yes, but his grace also transforms us. The book of Titus chapter 2, verses 11 and 12 says, "For the grace of God has appeared, bringing salvation for all people, training us to renounce ungodliness and worldly passions, and to live self-controlled, upright, and godly lives in this present age." Don't use grace as an excuse. Let it be your greatest motivation for change. Ultimately, a pure heart desires pure speech. As you grow closer to God, your desire for anything that grieves him naturally diminishes. The book of Psalms chapter 19, verse 14 expresses this beautifully. "Let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in your sight, O Lord, my rock and my redeemer." Seek a transformed heart, and your words will follow. It's not about being allowed in a legalistic way, but about alignment. God isn't condemning you. He's calling you higher. He wants to purify your speech by purifying your heart. If you're ready to let God refine your heart and your words, type "Refine me, Lord" in the comments. If this message spoke to you, don't scroll past it. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. And subscribe to the Bible in a Minute for more spirit-led stories.